ingredients I'll be using to make my dish will be first, 1 box of macaroni, a casserole elbows in Pacific. Then I'll be using 4 types of cheeses, sharp cheddar, cheddar, mozzarella, and parmesan. Then I'll be using bacon, 1 purple onion, breadcrumbs, heavy cream, sour cream, and butter. For my seasoning, I'll be using salt, garlic, and garlic powder. I'll be making this on a fire stove, an air fryer, and an oven. Step 1. You want to get a pot and add 9 cups of water into the pot. You want to turn on your heat, get your salt, add some salt into the water. Then you want to get 5 cups of macaroni and add that into the water. Step 2. While your macaroni is cooking up, you want to grab your bacon and get 5 slices of your bacon, and you want to add that to your air fryer. You want to put that at a 390 degree for about 15 minutes. We are going to be making the cheese sauce. You want to add 1 spoon of butter and let that melt in the pan. Then you want to add 1 cup of cut onions and stir that all around. Then you want to get 3 tablespoons of garlic. Then you want to stir that all around until it's fully cooked. So then you want to add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of sour cream, and stir that all around. Then you want to get 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and stir that all around until you get a creamy, thick sauce. At this point, your macaroni should be cooked, and you want to turn off the heat, and you want to drain the water from the pot. After the water is drained, you want to add the macaroni back into the pot so it could be easier mixing it with the cheese. So now you should have a pot of dry macaroni and your cheese sauce. So now you're going to want to combine the two. Now you want to add the macaroni into the cheese sauce. Very slowly, make sure none of the macaroni falls outside the pan. Okay, that's it. Now you want to mix it all together until the cheese goes all over the macaroni. Then you want to grab 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and add that to the mac and cheese and stir that all around and let that sit there. Now you want to take your bacon out of the air fryer and it should be fully cooked. And you want to crumple it with your hand, or you could crumple it with a scissors, whatever you prefer is better. I'm doing it with my hands, as you can see. Now you want to add your macaroni into the pan. So then you want to add bacon on top of your mac and cheese. I'm making 2 since my dad's a vegan. Then you want to sprinkle more cheese on the top. Then you want to get your breadcrumbs and add 2 tablespoons on top of the mac and cheese. Then you want to add more cheese after. Now you want to put your pan in the oven and you want to bake your mac and cheese at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you should take your pan out of the oven and your mac and cheese should look like this. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy my recipe.